Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com and summersmaster.com. I don't even know if it's appropriate for me to have this video, but this is my channel, and if I can't do it the way that I want to do it, then I don't even need to do it. I can just relax. But the title, or what probably got you to come to this video, was most people in the United States, or what they are going to put in their safe or their safe deposit box for their family when they die, is the web address to GoFundMe. That's what most people are going to be doing. And when I was thinking about this, my friend Marwan passed away. He actually passed away last year, but when I see, news reports and people are saying like something happened with a family member and they are setting up GoFundMes and stuff like that, which is, I'm glad that that's available to them, but it makes me think back to his situation. And we had this little back and forth. I had known him for 30 something years, and we had this back and forth, and he used to say stuff like, you can't take stuff with you. We would, people would say it to us, nice cars, you can't take that with you. The money you can't take with you, all your real estate. And he had a lot of real estate. He had a lot of fast food type restaurant. He had a Chinese restaurant. He's an Arab guy. He had a Chinese restaurant, had pizza restaurants, and just Dairy Queen, you name it. He had a whole bunch of different ones. Traveled, did a lot of stuff. And something that happened to me when he passed away, and I've only told one person about this. Only two people, my wife and then his other very close friend Ali. Was the week that he passed away, he sent, the way I look at it is he sent me a message through TikTok. And to this day, number one, he had never sent me a message through there. And then to this day, another message hasn't went through from there. And his family didn't take it down. And when we had made that arrangement where I would tell you if something happened to me or you tell me, we didn't come, we were just joking around, so we never did give away for us to tell each other about what the experience could be on the quote unquote other side. And then it made me think that you do take everything with you. And basically he said you take everything with you. And let me, if you could hear me out, I want to prove it to you that you take everything with you. Because everything on this planet, this piece of paper, this microphone, this computer, this paper, this pen, all of it is nothing but arranged atoms. And if you look at the human, us as humans, what are we? We're arranged atoms. And there have been people who reported that when they were dying, that their whole life passed in front of them, their whole entire life. So they saw everything. And my thinking, this is only my opinion, is that we do take everything with us. Because if you're rich and got money, you take the experiences that you had when you were a living person, with all of the experiences, traveling, cars, people, all of that stuff. That's your experience. You're going to relive that. If you don't make a lot of money, whatever it is, whatever your life is, you have those experiences, and you take that with you, because all we have are experiences. And that's why a lot of people, when they're older, when they are sitting there and they're thinking, like I remember I talked to one of my relatives. He was like 100 years old, I think. And he's like, I wish I would have tried to do other stuff. Like, he did a lot, but he was like, I could have done a lot more. Because you know, in a way, you're either going to have regrets that you didn't do things, and then the only way that you can have regrets that you didn't do things is because you wish you would have did them. And that means that you know deep down that you're going to take those experiences with you. Now, let me flip it on the other side. And this is going to end with a reason to fix your credit if you haven't caught on to that yet. It's going to be a big reason. And this is more than just going to be for your credit. It's going to be for your family. If you care, you may not care. So now, imagine, let's flip it over on the other side. Some of you are religious and you believe in heaven and you believe that there's a hell. If you are looking down, if you get to this also proves that you will take your experiences. Because if you go to heaven and people are talking about what's going to be going on in heaven and whatever you believe is going to be going on, how can you even know if it was heaven if you don't know what you know right now? You could be in hell and don't know. Is your brain going to start back over and you're going to have to relearn everything when you get to heaven? No. So that means that every experience, everything that you got, you're going to take up there. Now let's take something else up there. What if you leave your family in debt? What if you leave your family with no money, nothing? With nothing, and they got to go and open up that safe deposit box or go and open up the safe and it has the web address to GoFundMe for them to be able to sustain themselves. I would, for me, my own personal, I would be, if I went to heaven, I would be in hell. Because I'm not the type of man that will let my family struggle. I'm not the type of man who would let my family struggle if I'm not around. Now, the decisions that they make with what I leave for them is their own decisions, but I will not. I will not. So now, where does this all circle around the credit? Let me tell you, what I see people with the most problems, why they can't even get started, why they can't even move forward is because they have bad credit. The bad credit that they have is like it's the number one thing that's holding them back from being able to see and experience the things that they want to experience in their lives, but also to be able to put their family into the position to be able to move forward in life if something was to happen to them. There's a lot of videos that go around and they're talking about telling people to get life insurance and all of these different things. There's some people that can't even get term life insurance because their credit is so screwed up. Did you know that part of the term life insurance, one of the things that they do check is they want to look at the risk factor. Everything that you do with insurances has a risk factor that is put inside of there. And they are not going to give you any policy that's worth anything that could support your family if something was to happen to you. Maybe they'll give you a few dollars, a couple of, $100,000 or something like that. But that's better than nothing. But what if you was able to leave your family for the same cost because you have good credit, for the same cost that you would be able to get $1 million policy, $2 million policy, and leave that to your family. So if something was to happen to you, they're not left hanging out there. That's why credit is so important. I always, some people, they think that it's just about sending letters. They think that it's just about settling debt. They don't understand that credit can transform, number one, yourself. And then number two, it can transform the amount of money and wealth that you can leave to your family. And yeah, you can't take your money with you. We can't take our money with us when we leave this planet. We cannot. But what do you want to take with you if you're looking down? If you're looking down at your family from heaven and you're looking down, what did you leave them? And would you think that you're in hell if you didn't leave them anything? If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch my video, What Makes Us Different. where you'll see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. No other credit repair company does it the way that we do it. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. Why? Because everything starts there. You need to know everything that's on your credit, not just part of it like the free services gives you. If you have debt collectors coming after you before you're sued, they're just sending you debt collection letters, you can grab my 3-pack of letters, absolutely free. I do ask for a donation. Those letters can save you time, money, and frustration. Link is below this video. Or you can go to summonsmaster.com, upload your debt collection letter, and get an exclusive certified debt validation letter that can stop debt collectors in their tracks. We also have a done-for-you service on Summons Master and at the Credit Repair Shop if you want us to send out your debt validation letter. If you have debt collectors who are trying to sue you in court, go to summonsmaster.com where you can upload your court summons and get a court-ready response with a defense to help you win your case. We also have a done-for-you service on Summons Master. Post your questions and comments. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your time. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.